Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a new fresh video again with a new dinner, fresh dinner. Today I will take you to the Chinese most delicious, most famous Malatang. This place called Yangguafo. Look at that behind me. We'll go there and we'll have dinner there. Stay with me and how this Chinese famous Malatang is and how it tastes like. So follow me, let's go inside and please subscribe, give a big thumbs up to this video. Be with me until the end of this video and enjoy the food series video number 4. Let's begin. Okay, so right now I will test it. So let me test some. I think I need to test some this thing, right? What is this?
这个是
Vegetables. So close. Look at this. Wow, I'm very good at using chopsticks, right? This one is not cooked well. A little bit. Not really, but tastes good. Yeah. What is this? Tofu?
不是 不知道
Okay, taste it. Amazing. 好吃吗？
还可以，就一本吧。
Wow. Look at that. Wow. Okay, let me try the broccoli. Here I can see some broccoli. Come here. Okay, wow, look at that. Fresh broccoli. Wow. Look at that. Let me put some spices with this. Wow, look at that. Wow. This tastes so good. Let me find. This is tofu, right? This is tofu. Put some spices and grab with the chopsticks and then wow. Where is it? Oh, yeah. Let me find mushroom. Do you have mushroom?
有啊
Wow.
这个
Maybe. What is this?
就是虾
Sha, I don't know what is sha, but look at these guys. Wow. Wow.
吃吃吃
Look at this. Wow. This is very tasty. Look at this. And now, then you get 1 spoon of this fresh soup. Wow. One more. The good thing in this malatang is this is oil free. This all oil free. They just boil inside in the water and they put all some other spices what you order, but they use no oil. Look at this. Wow. And then none other than Coca-Cola, sponsored by Cola. Wow. Potato.
不是，
好吃吗？
好吃。干嘛？哦。
How do you feel? You enjoy? Wow guys, look at that. We almost finished this big bowl. It was really tasty. I didn't think it would be that tasty, but it's really famous. If you come to China and you taste Chinese food and you miss Chinese malatang, it means you missed a lot, guys. So come to China, try this Chinese malatang, Yangguafo. A lot of different restaurants of Chinese malatang, but Yangguafo is specially made for malatang. It's really famous. So each and every city you can find this malatang Yangguafo. The name is Yangguafo. I will post a picture here. In any city you can find this, and must try this Chinese delicious malatang. It's very traditional. It's very delicious and is out of oil. So I hope you would like this video, guys, and please make sure to subscribe and give a big thumbs up to this video. Thanks to my friend. And please make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video as usual. Take care of you and your family till tomorrow. Bye bye. I love you all, and say subscribe. Subscribe. She can't say this word subscribe, but I will give you $2 if you say subscribe.
Okay, 现在吗？
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Okay, guys, please subscribe.
谢谢。Say
Still
some.
working in Abbey.
At the same,
Hello.
at the same place, right?
No, that's street. I am still working in Abbey.
Oh, you are in Ivy right now?
Yeah.
Oh, and you?
My
Oh, you too. What's your name?
Audra.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Hello.
Yeah.